Hi class, we have the third class for sequence and series AP and GP. We are given the sequence here, but we are fortunate enough that we are already informed it is an AP. Otherwise, we need to figure it out first as to whether it is an AP or GP. So we are given 3, 7, 11, 15. This one tells you that the sequence continues. It means what? It does not end. Okay. Um, I always advise students to be able to figure out if it is an AP or GP without being told. Because sometimes the question paper will not tell you that it is an AP or GP. And all the formulas that we are using, they based on a specific category as to whether it's an AP or GP. So how do we know that it is an AP? It's about consistency for you to know if it's an AP or GP. It's all about consistency. Now, let's see if it is consistent here. 7 minus 3 is what? Is 4. Note it is 4. 11 minus 7 is what? Is 4. 15 minus 11 is what? It is 4. So if you have a constant number, that tells you that by addition or subtraction, that tells you that it is an AP. So note that one. So A, what do we want to find A? We want to find first term. But in AP and GP, first term is denoted by letter A. So we want to find the first term, and the first term is generally T1. So what is the first term now? That is the first number, which is 3. That is the first term. So simple. Okay, so B, want to find common difference. Common difference. In AP, common difference is D. In GP, we don't have common difference. We have common ratio. AP, common difference. GP, common ratio. And that GP that has common ratio, it is not D, it is R. But in AP, we don't have common ratio. We have common difference, which is D. Common difference formula says we are given 1, 2, 3, 4. You cannot start with 1. You don't write common difference with T1, but you can start with T2. You can start with T3. You can start with T4. I can even say T4. But if I say T4, it is now a must to write the preceding. What do you get before 4 is 3. So it is a must. If you say T3, it is a must now to say T2 because we need consecutive values. A particular term minus the preceding before you get to this. So what is the fourth term? 15. 1, 2, 3, 4. 15. What is the third term? 1, 2, 3. It is 11. So 15 minus 11, we have 4. So C, to find the 21st term, we want to find the 21st term. Yes, if you want, you can write the formula first. Otherwise, you don't need to write the formula. Okay. But for beginners, let us just write the formula so that they understand how it is dealt with. So we want to find the 21st term. But if you want to find a particular term, be it 21st term, 15th term, 18th term, 38th term, we need to consider the general term. This general term formula that I'm about to write, it's based on which of the two you are working with, you are dealing with. If you are dealing with AP, it has its own nth term formula. If you are dealing with GP, it has its own general general term formula. But because we are dealing with AP, the general term is A plus n minus 1 times D. This one is called general term. It is also called nth term. So this is the general term. But we are not particular about the general term. We want to find the 21st term. T. 21 replaces what? N. So we want to find 21st term. So this 21 is going to replace n in this formula. But to start with, what is A? A is 3. What is n? N is 21 minus 1. What is D? D is 4. So this is 3. 21 minus 1 is 20 times 4. So this is 3. 20 times 4 is 80. So which is 83. Yeah, but writing the formula could just be a waste of time. So if you want to find the 21st term or any particular term, what is the easy way to do it? What term are we finding? 21st, which is 21. So you say 21 minus 1. What is 21 minus 1? It's 20. So you say A plus 20D. So A is 3, 20, D is what? Is 4. So it will take you to this level. Okay, so this is what we have for lesson 3. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to follow, like, share, and comment. Also subscribe to the YouTube channel.